सभासद माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Respected sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Sri Danve Rao Sahib Dada Rao, Sri Purushottam Rupala, and Sri Pratap Chandra Sarangi, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names in serial numbers 1 to 5 respectively in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department, Red Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Ram Kumar Verma.
Chairman sir from Lok Sabha. माननीय सभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यावली में मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लिखित क्रम संख्या 1 से 4 पर सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 10वां, 11वां, 12वां और 13वां प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Thank you. Honorable members, I have to inform members that letters have been received from Srimati M.C. Mary Com, Sri Oscar Fernandez, Sri Dr. Ambumani Ramadas, and Sri K.K. Ragesh for grant of leave of absence during the ongoing 253rd session of Rajya Sabha. Srimati M.C. Mary Com has requested for leave for preparation for upcoming international competitions and Tokyo Olympics. Sri Oscar Fernandez and Dr. Ambumani Ramadas, Sri K.K. Ragesh have requested for leave on medical ground. Srimati Mary Com and Sri Oscar Fernandez have sought leave of absence for the entire sitting of the session, while Dr. Ambumani Ramadas, K.K. Ragesh have sought leave of absence from 1st February till end of first part of the session. Do they have the permission of the House for remaining absent from the sitting of the current 253rd session of Rajya Sabha for the period as required by them? Yes. Agreed. Permission to remain absent is granted. Statement regarding government business. Sri V. Muralidharan.
With your permission, sir, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 8th of February 2021 will consist of 1. Consideration of any item of government business carried over from today's order paper. 2nd, general discussion on Union Budget 21-22. 3rd, consideration and passing of following bills. 1. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 1 of 2021, and consideration and passing of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill 2021. 2. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the National Capital Territory of Delhi Laws Special Provisions, Second Amendment Ordinance 2020, that is number 15 of 2020, and consideration and passing of the National Capital Territory of Delhi Laws Special Provisions, Second Amendment Bill 2021 after its introduction. The third, the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professionals Bill 2020. Fourth, the National Institutes of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Bill 2019. Item number 4, consideration and passing of the following bill after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 1. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Ordinance 2020, number 14 of 2020, and consideration and passing of the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill 2021. 5. Consideration passing of the following bills as passed by Lok Sabha. 1. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Bill 2020. 2. The Major Port Authorities Bill 2020.
Right. Further discussion on the presidential address. Members, I have to make an observation. Some of the members yesterday have exceeded their time. So that time will be reduced from their party's quota. This has to be understood by all. And huh? Yeah, no, I'm not going there. Hey, we have to, no, please, no bargaining. I can't help it. I will be more liberal, but parties has to be liberal for their colleagues. They are not becoming liberal to their party colleagues, and they are asking to be liberal at the cost of other parties. But here, I understand. Praful, I am not. You are again losing time. I understand your problem. Yesterday we were little lenient to Deva Gowda ji because former Prime Minister and only one member. So, but we also took little extra time. But for the fact that we have to conclude the discussion today, and this that gap is there for sanitation for the other house. Otherwise, I would have been liberal. I do agree to extend the time further. That I can't. Yes. Yes.
Sir, there was a small confusion because the chair had allotted 15 hours for the discussion, and now since half an hour was taken on the first day for 0 hour, 14 and a half hour is left only if we have to conclude it by 2 o'clock. So my suggestion is we may conclude it in 14 and a half hours. BJP is ready to reduce our time, and accordingly we will...
KP, my advice to the presiding officers is take half an hour extra. I got you.
15 hours, that's all.
I agree, na? So now keeping that in mind, everybody has to reduce the time. Whoever is going to be there in the chair, they will strictly follow the time. And secondly, parties has to make adjustment within their party. If members come to me personally and then make request, I can't help it. Right. Please. You resolve the issue and then tell me how to resolve. The Sri Vinay Viswam.
Sir, gallery.
Yeah.